Chieng Yiero kata mano internet mondo ka ibro wen jopiny thuolo mondo mi obed kod ratiro mar siro kata wacho weche gi mago makare kokadho e mbui. Kano loso odiochieng' ma kawuono e romo mano ma bende koro noting'o jolony e weche mago mag tudruok mang'iyo kaka inyalo ked kod njore mago mag mbui kata cybercrime. Mano bende koro notim Nakuru. Matiang'i owacho ni koro ondamo manyaka gie sani romo no ne kelo en mar kedo to kod wach geng'o jachudhe manyalo bedo ka kelo weche mago mag njore ka achiel kod ayany ma bende koro itimo kinde ka kinde. Notene kanyo to kod ogai mar obila Hilary Mutyambai ma bende koro wach ni tudruok gi duonde mag arita kwe mago gik ma onego ket mbele ni mare mabiro konyo ahinya mondo mi gichop wuoth makamano.
We are a democratic environment. Kenyans chose democracy and we gave it to ourselves through our constitution. The government is not going to act otherwise. We will respect freedoms in the hope that as we respect the freedoms of others, those who would like to exercise their freedoms in expression, in association, in supporting their preferred candidates and individuals will do so while taking into consideration the welfare of the whole of society. No amount of insults, as I've said before, no amount of criticism of us in the executive branch of government will tempt us enough to resort to retrogressive acts of interfering with freedoms like shutting the internet or, clawing back on freedoms we have acquired through the Constitution and through the law. We have a great country, and God has been kind and gracious to us, and He has blessed us with a wonderful country, wonderful people with incredible potential. And this is where I end my remarks by saying that in the development of this cybersecurity strategy, we are looking for a way of ensuring that we exploit our potential to the full without hurting any of our businesses or hurting each other. How great would it be if we were able to go to the farthest extent that our imagination and innovation can take us while we preserve our national unity, while we preserve the integrity of our economic transactions, while we preserve the integrity of our businesses and our trade, and while we protect our people as we move forward. It will be a fantastic thing to do, and this cyber security strategy leads us in that direction, where we will ensure that we will continue to exploit our potential as a society and as a country without hurting each other individually or collectively, as it were. So I'm one of those people who are really looking forward to the completion of this exercise, Kanombati, and I'm one of those players in this sector who are enthusiastically looking forward